this video, we will demonstrate how to upload and download files between a mobile device or a service PC and a Foundation Series addressable fire alarm control unit. The process is similar when using either the 2050 FS or the 2250 FS models. The term uploading refers to transferring files from a control unit to a service PC or mobile device, whereas the term download refers to transferring files from a service PC or mobile device to the control unit. Let's look at how to upload to a mobile device. First, you need to transfer the configuration data from the control unit onto a USB drive. To do so, go to the Program menu. When prompted, log in at Access Level 3. Then again, navigate to the Program menu. Open the USB menu and select Save Programming Data. The mobile app needs the JSON data, so select Option 2, Save JSON Data. The status of the transfer will be shown on the control unit's display. Press the Escape key and remove the USB drive from the control unit. Then insert it into the USB port on your mobile device. Depending on the type of device you are using, you may need an adapter. In the mobile app, open the site you are adding the control unit to by tapping on the site. Tap the plus icon to add a new panel. To import a panel configuration, tap Import File. Select the panel configuration from your files, and it will be added to the list of panels. Job files can be transferred from a mobile device to the control unit using near-field communication, or NFC. It is important to know where the NFC transmitter is located in your device before starting the data transfer. The typical location is on the back of the phone. The exact location is available from the support center of the device manufacturer. The Help and Support area of the app contains links to device support from several popular mobile device brands. In the FS mobile app, open the panel you want to export the job file from. From the device's screen, tap on the Export button. Then choose the NFC option by tapping on it. Now, initiate the transfer on the control unit. To do so, go to the Program menu. When prompted, log in at Access Level 3. Then again, navigate to the Program menu. Choose the NFC option. To initiate the transfer, choose the Load NFC Data option. Now hold your mobile device near the NFC card on the control unit, which is below the right side of the control unit's user interface. If there is a connectivity issue, you may need to reposition your mobile device so the NFC transmitter in your device is over the control unit's NFC card. Now, press the Start button from the mobile app and the transfer will begin. Depending on the number of devices in your job, this may take several minutes. Once complete, you will receive a confirmation message on both the control unit's display and the mobile app. The new program will take effect once the control unit restarts. Let's look at how to upload to a service PC. First, connect a USB cord from the panel to an open USB port on the service PC. Then, open the addressable panel programmer. If this is the first time connecting to a Foundation Series control unit with the addressable panel programmer, you must install the USB driver. To do so, select Tools and go to the Advanced option. From the Advanced Settings window, select Install Driver. If prompted, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select Yes. When the device driver installation wizard opens, select Next. Once installation is complete, select Finish. You should receive a confirmation message that the drivers have installed successfully. Select OK. You can now close the Advanced Settings window. To connect to the panel, you must create a job. To do so, select File. If this is a new installation, or one you haven't worked on before, select New. In the Create New Installation window, choose whether you are connecting to a 2050fs or the 2250fs, and the firmware version installed on the panel. Then select the green check mark to continue. This opens the panel detail screen for the new installation. To make the connection with the control unit, open the Communication tab. Select USB as the type of connection, then select the Refresh button. It is recommended to test the connection by selecting the Test button. You will be prompted to enter an installer password. This should be the same as Access Level 3 password. Once password is entered, select OK. If a green check replaces the test button, then a good connection has been established between the control unit and the service PC. To upload all configuration data already in the panel, select the Global Read button. You will again be prompted to enter the installer password. When prompted, confirm that you want to upload all configuration data from the connected control unit. The status of the upload is shown in the lower left of the addressable panel programmer. Depending on the amount of information already configured on the control unit, this may take several minutes. Once the upload is complete, information from the panel is shown in the programmer, and the configuration can be modified as needed using the addressable panel programmer. In some cases, you may want to only upload some information from the control unit and not the entire configuration. For example, if you only want to upload the loop portion of the configuration, you can do so by opening the loop in the programmer and selecting the Read Loop option. Similarly, you can choose to only upload data for zones, panel outputs, general options, clock, and log. To download all configuration data from the addressable panel programmer, select the Global Send button. You will be prompted to enter the installer password. When prompted, confirm that you want to download all configuration data from the programmer to the connected control unit. The status of the download is shown in the lower left of the addressable panel programmer. Depending on the amount of information in the configuration, this may take several minutes. Once the download is complete, the new program will take effect once the control unit restarts. In some cases, you may want to only send some information to the control unit and not the entire configuration. For example, if you only want to send the loop portion of the configuration, you can do so by opening the loop in the programmer and selecting the Send Loop option. Similarly, you can choose to only download data for zones, panel outputs, general options, and clock. In this video, you saw how to upload and download files to transfer job files between a service PC or mobile device and a Foundation Series addressable fire alarm control unit.